Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you can access the account and device. Without that, deletion is impossible. Make a local backup of message data and export any private keys so you can decrypt if necessary. Once done, open the app and locate the specific encrypted conversation and the exact messages by timestamp or sender. Make sure to stop automatic cloud sync so deletions don't propagate prematurely. And note whether messages are end-to-end encrypted or server encrypted before proceeding. You now decrypt locally if you need to confirm content. Use the exported private key and a trusted client so you can see what you will remove. Next, use the app's deletion options. Choose delete for you or delete for everyone when available. Permanent wipe removes messages and metadata locally. After that, clear attachments and cached media from the device and remove any local encrypted backups or archived exports, because lingering files can keep recoverable copies even after message deletion. You finish by disabling sync and, if appropriate, rotating or re-encrypting keys to prevent future access with the old key. Then verify that messages are gone on every device and in cloud backups. Restore points or third-party backups can reintroduce deleted content. If things go wrong, check your exported backups and device logs to locate residual copies before making further changes. Make sure to securely overwrite or destroy any exported keys or backups. You no longer need to maintain privacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.